Hey guys, welcome to the channel. What I'm going to kind of go over today, this is my garage slash bee workshop when it's cold, is some hive top feeders that I've made up. This is nothing new. A lot of guys, do this. This is just kind of my take on it and what kind of works for me. We got Dennis out here. He's playing with his monster trucks. Got the monster jam going on. So, not yet. Okay. So I'm just going to kind of describe to you. Here we have like instead of, trying to make everything waterproof and going through, the more fancy woodworking stuff, I'd prefer not to spend a bunch of time doing that. If you like to do that, that's fine. That's great. Me, I'd rather just kind of find easier ways to kind of throw everything together, get it done really fast and make it effective and make it work. So this is just a feeder that goes on top of a nucleus colony. I just used a standard, 1x4, no fancy corners, just screw them together. I put, some Lawan or some 1/4-inch plywood on the bottom. Again, nothing fancy. And I just drilled a hole in it, okay? Then inside, all I did was I go to the Dollar Tree and you can buy these loaf pans for 3 of them for $1, I think it is. Take some number 8 hardware cloth, just build some ladders in it. And, the bees, put this on top of the hive. It'll be all enclosed, no robbing. The bees will come up through here. They'll be able to climb up and go in there and drink, the sugar water and the feeding and that type of stuff. And no, it's probably not going to be 100% drown free. I understand that, but, it's easy. The bees are going to get maximum amount of sugar water that they can. They're easy to fill up. I pop the top open, I dump, refill it, and we're good to go. Then, whenever I'm done feeding, boom, take it off. And it's just easy. And I think that's, for me, that's what I do in beekeeping. I try to make it as easy as possible, as efficient as possible, and as cheap as possible. So, however I figure I can do that, I do. And I'll be honest with you, the bees don't care, okay? Bees do not care. If you watch extraction videos from down south, like JP the Bee Man, or the Dirt Rooster channel, those guys show these bees living in tires, living in trash cans, living in all kinds of stuff. I mean, so obviously something like this is more than efficient enough, for a bee. And so let's say you're going to something bigger, than a nucleus colony. Here again, just 1x4, easy corners, nothing fancy. And again, I've just drilled in more holes. This will be a nice hive top feeder. Again, the bees can come up. Number 8 hardware cloth. I just took a roaster pan, again, from the Dollar Tree. These are $1. They easily fit in there. They're easy to mold. You take your staple gun, staple it up. Really doesn't even matter what you do. The bees will be able to crawl down, crawl on. Trust me, if there's sugar water in it, they'll get to it. So something cheap, something easy, something efficient. You're going to be able to hold lots of sugar water and do what you're trying to do, which is feed your bees. So what do you want to do? You got to say something? Well, say it loud. You don't have to whisper.
You know what I do?
What?
I get to paint them.
Yes, you do. And Dennis gets to paint them, don't you? Mm-hmm. There you go. See? So beekeep with your kids, They love to help you guys. Get them out there, get them painting stuff, get them involved in the hives, let them help you the best they can, and it's going to be a more fulfilling hobby for you and teach them something in the long run. So, again, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll keep posting, some little tidbits. Again, everybody in beekeeping can do what they want. It's up to you. I'm just trying to show you guys what I do. So, as we say here, are we beekeeping or are the bees keeping us? Have a good day.